Hey, this is the Smart Penny Pincher. In today's video, I'm going to review this spare battery pack for a Canon Vixia camcorder. I'll go over the cost, the fit, the compatibility, and everything like that, but most importantly, I'm going to do a performance test and see how it really performs. I'm over here on Canon's site, and here is the BP718, and look what they want for this, $90. So that is a lot of money for a lithium-ion battery, and I believe the BP718 is the smaller one, so I prefer the 727, which is a bigger battery pack, and this one is 3,000 milliamp hours or 10.58 watt hours. And the 718, I believe that is 2,000. We'd have to go look at that. And here's the 218, and that is 2,100. So that's quite a bit smaller for just a little bit of money between the two battery packs. And I've been using the bigger one for years, and it doesn't get in the way or anything, and it's still a compact design. So I see absolutely no reason to buy a Canon battery when you can get one of these generics for pretty cheap. The true test here of a battery is to actually do a performance test. So I think what I'll do is I'll set this up, and then I will do a time lapse and then actually record. And let's see, we'll do about I'll do something like this, and then I'm just going to watch this clock count down and see how long it lasts. When we close this window, the screen is estimating 147 minutes, so we'll just see how long it will run. Well, that lasted 2 hours and 15 minutes, and that is about the same as the original battery that came with the camera. About 2 hours per run. So I'm totally happy with that, and it seems to work just fine. Now let's talk about what's in the kit when you buy this. You're going to get the charger, and this works both AC or DC. So it's got one of these handy flip connections go into your outlet here. And then it can also comes with a European adapter. Now if you look at the top, you're going to see a DC input. And this is really handy if you're traveling and you're doing vlogging like I am. It comes with a travel adapter that goes into a cigarette lighter. And then you can simply plug this in here, and now you can charge on the go right from your car. And that is very handy to have. Because if you're out and about and you go through more than one battery, what are you going to do? Well, now you can charge it. And of course it comes with the battery pack, and I put this side by side and is the exact same dimensions as the original battery that came with the camera. Now to charge it is very simple. I'm just going to show you here so it's a little bit easier to see instead of plugging into the wall. But you just have your connections here, and then they go in here, they slide down, and then they click forward. And then just swing that out. And when you plug it in, it'll turn red, indicating that it's charging. And then when it's done charging, it will be green. And I've already done this. When I got it, it was halfway charged, and it took maybe an hour and a half or something like that. So since I took this all the way to the bottom, this is probably going to be 2 or 3 hours. So not real fast, but you know, if you've got a couple of these and just charge them when you need them, and it just seems to work just great. So for my purposes, it is an exact replacement. It fits, it performs well, and the cost is very reasonable. So, you know, obviously I bought the kit because I needed the charger, but you can also simply buy individual batteries. And if you already have the charger, and then I think they're like $20 each, which is just a screaming deal.